topic of grammar, and the topic name is noun. So in this period we will learn about what is a noun, what is the definition of noun, and how many types are there, and what is the definition of each type, and examples, and students of if they are eager to tell about this topic. So let's start.
Definition of noun. Noun is the name of person, place, animal, thing, human, quality, idea, experience of feelings.
Okay, very good.
संज्ञा की परिभाषा किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान या किसी जाति के बोध कराने वाले शब्द को संज्ञा कहते हैं.
Very good. हाँ.
Definition of noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, human, quality, idea, experience, or feeling.
Okay.
Example of noun: Kolkata, Jaipur, chair, table, happy, bed, dog, cat, Lakshay, Sujit.
Okay.
Example of noun: Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Kolkata, bed, chair, happy, bed, Rajesh, Ramesh, etc.
Happy birthday. हाँ.
संख्या के उदाहरण: टेबल, चेयर, घड़ी, bottle, book, and etc.
Anything you are looking in this class, you are observing in this class, and its name is noun only. For example, blackboard, fan, light, chart, table, chair, student, teacher, mobile, iPad, everything is, its name is noun only.
There are 5 types of noun. First, proper noun. Second, common noun. Third, material noun. Fourth, abstract noun. Fifth, collective noun.
Okay.
Proper noun. Definition of proper noun: it is the name of a person, place, or thing. It is always written with capital letter.
Proper noun. Proper noun is always written in capital letter because it's a name of anything.
Example: Lavi, Jhunjhunu, Ashna, Chavi, India.
Okay. This is proper noun.
Kolkata is a largest city in India. In this sentence, Kolkata and India are proper noun.
Okay. Are the example of proper noun?
Taj Mahal was built by Shahjahan. In this sentence, Taj Mahal and Shahjahan are proper noun.
Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. In this sentence, Taj Mahal is the name of any building, and Shah Jahan is the name of a king. So both are proper noun.
My name is Kundan. Kundan is a specific.
Okay. Kundan is a specific name, so it is proper noun.
I saw the dog. Bruno is a specific name.
Bruno is the name of a dog, and it's a specific. Okay. Next, common noun. Now we will learn about common noun.
Common noun. Its definition is the general name of things, places, or animals.
Okay, general name of anything. Huh?
I saw a book on a table.
I saw a book on the table.
In this sentence, book is a general type of thing.
Okay, so it is common noun.
The dog barked loudly. In the sentence, dog is a general type of animal.
Okay. Example.
He is a teacher. Teacher is a common noun. I am a student. In this sentence, student is a noun. Collective noun. It is the name of number of a persons or thing considered or one. Example: class, team, gang, club, band. The team won the championship. In this sentence, the team is the collective noun. The crowd is out of control. In this sentence, crowd is the general type of person.
Crowd is general type of noun.
Example of collective noun: a flock of sheep grazed in the meadow. In sentence, flock is sheep is common collective noun.
Flock is collective
A
noun.
band of musicians. In this sentence, band is group of musicians. prepositions.
Okay, very good.
Example of collective noun:
Crew.
a crew of sailors. In the sentence, crew of collective nouns. A company of actors.
Company of actors. In this sentence, company is the group of actors. So it is collective noun.
A herd of elephants. In this sentence, group of elephants called herd. A swarm of bees. मधुमक्खियों के झुंड को स्वार्म कहते हैं. A pride of lions. In this sentence, pride is group of lions.
Okay.
A flock of sheep.
A flock of those who.
A flock of sheep.
Okay. Next. Fine.
It is name of a substance that is eaten, drunk, and weighted, but not counted. Example: water, oil, breakfast, sugar, salt, gold, etc.
Material noun definition. It is the name of a substance that is eaten, drunk, and weighed, but not counted.
Example of material noun: the necklace is made of gold. Gold is material noun. Example of material noun: the ring is made of silver. In this sentence, silver is a material noun.
Okay. Silver, gold, iron. This is material noun. This is the example of material noun.
Definition of abstract noun. It is the name of such type of thing. It is the name of such type of thing which are not seen, see or touch, but only. Example: honesty, bravery, love, death, heat, etc. She wears dress made of a silk. In this sentence, silk of a material noun.
Honesty is the best policy. In the sentence, honesty is a concept. She has a great sense of humor. Humor is a quality.
So it is the example of abstract noun. So in this period, the all students told about what is the definition of noun in Hindi and English. What are the examples of nouns? What are the types of nouns? Each type and examples of each type and the definition of each type. So,